I used to grade papers. Now I help parentpreneurs strapped in the bills versus legacy cycle. If you're drowning in deadlines, I've been there. Let me show you the exit. Picture this. I spent years juggling lesson plans and parent-teacher meetings, only to trade them for late nights staring at bills, wondering if my work would ever mean more than just paying rent, and the electric company. I felt stuck. Until I got the blueprint. It was then I realized legacy building isn't about escaping bills, it's about creating something that outlives them. In this video, I'll show you how to align your business with what matters most, so your work fuels both your family's today and their tomorrow. No more either or. Let's build. You don't have to choose between surviving today and building tomorrow. Your legacy starts with one decision. Comment, ready. To design it? Let's begin today. To find out more, go here, www.legacymakers.online. Thanks for watching.